Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about the top 5 crypto trading bots in 2025. If you want to automate your crypto trades and maximize profits, here are the top 5 trading bots. So the first one is Cryptohopper, which is best AI powered bot, which also supports 100 plus tokens across 15 exchanges. It has AI driven trading with copy trading and strategy marketplace. Cryptohopper also have backtesting tools for refining strategies. So the second bot we have is called 3 commas, which is best for advanced traders. It has DCA, grid and options bots across 18 plus exchanges. It also has powerful automation and risk management tools. 3 commas also offers social trading features to follow top traders. The third one we have Pionex. Pionex is best built-in exchange bot, which has 16 free bots with low 0.05% trading fees. No monthly subscription required, grid trading and arbitrage bots for passive gains. And then we have CoinRule, which is best for beginners. CoinRule does not require any coding. It is easy if this then that setup. 150 plus preset templates for quick automation. It also works with major exchanges and offers a free plan. And last but not least, we have Bitsgap, which is best for arbitrage trading. Bitsgap specializes in arbitrage and grid strategies. It also supports multiple exchanges for cross-platform opportunities. It also has advanced risk management tools. The pro tip is most bots offers free trials and demo accounts. You have to test them out before committing. So, which bot are you trying first? Like and subscribe for more crypto insights.